Assalamualaikum and a warm welcome to all my little students. Today we are going to continue the chapter 10 of English Marigold, that is who will be the future Ningtho. Last time we have completed the 3 paragraphs. Now we are going to start from the second last para. The people breathed in and relief and said in unison. Now see, as we were talking about the 3 sons of the king, that is Sanajauba, Sanayaima and Sanatomba. Those 3 sons have done many different things for proving themselves as a better king. Now when the third one, that is Sanatomba, have jumped over the other side of the tree. Now what the people did, they have breathed in relief. Now they were relaxed and they all started saying in unison. Unison means all together. Fajay, Fajay, wonderful, wonderful. And now it was the turn of the youngest son, that is Sanatomba. Now the youngest son of the king, what he will do? Let us see. He too rode the horse towards the Khongnang. What is Khongnang? As I told you last time, Khongnang means a big banyan tree. And before anybody knew that what was happening, he uprooted it. Now what Sanatomba did? He have gone near to the Khongnang and uprooted it. Uprooted it means taken it outside from the soil. Triumphantly, he carried the tree to the Ningtho and Lima and laid it there at their feet. Now what he did, after uprooting the tree, he went to his mother and father, that is the king and queen, and let it lay at their feet. Shouts of Thoro, Thoro, Fajay, Fajay. Thoro means bravo and Fajay means wonderful, filled the mountains. The people grew restless. Why were the Ningtho and Lima taking so long to make the announcement? Now people were eagerly waiting for the announcement of their future king, that who is going to be our next ruler. Now they craned their necks to see what was happening. Now all the people, they have started moving here and there in restlessness to see what was going on. The Ningtho and Lima were watching Sanatombi. Now who was Sanatombi? As I told you last time that Sanatombi was the little daughter of the Ningtho. So she was very sad and lonely. She was the 5-year-old daughter. Now her age was 5 years old and she was looking very sad and lonely. She started at the Khongnang. What she did? She started looking at the Khongnang, which lay dead by the throne. Birds flapped worriedly around, searching for their homes in the tree. Now all the birds, they have started flapping their wings. Why? What were the birds searching? Many of the birds were living on the nest on that Khongnang tree. So now as the Khongnang tree was uprooted, many of the birds have lost their nest. So they were all worried. Sanatombi walked up to the Khongnang and whispered. So she have walked near to the tree and she whispered, the Khongnang is dead. It was hurt by the spear and now it is dead. So she said that first it was hurt with a spear. What is spear? You can see one of the soldiers is holding it in his hand. It is a pointed weapon. So first son, that is Sanajauba, he have pierced into the stem of the Khongnang. So she is saying that first it was speared and now it is dead. The people were all attention. All the people, they were very attentive. The Ningtho stood up. Who is the Ningtho? That is the king. He looked at the 3 boys. He looked at the little girl. He turned to the people. If anybody is worthy of becoming the ruler, he said, it is the little Sanatombi. Now what is the announcement that king is making? He is saying that if anyone in my kingdom is capable of becoming the future king, then it is Sanatombi, that is my little daughter. It was she who told us to look at the soul of the Khong Neng. Now, how did the king and all the people of the kingdom realize the importance of the Khong Neng? Because of Sanatombi, because she was also hurted when Khong Neng was uprooted from the soil. Sanatombi feels the pain of others. She feels the pain of the people, the animals, the birds and the tree. As she was a very lovely and caring girl, she used to feel the pain of all the people in her kingdom. Now it's not only the people, but along with people, she also felt the pain of animals, birds and trees. I declare Sanatombi, the future Lema of Kanglepak. Now this is the declaration made by the Ningtho, that now from now onwards, when I will die, your future Lema, that is Queen of Kanglepak. What is Kanglepak? It is a place in Manipur where the king is ruling. So he is saying that after me, the next ruler, that is next queen of Kanglepak, will be Sanatombi. And he said, a silence fell. Everyone turned to look at the little girl, the future queen. Now everywhere it was a complete silence. People started looking here and there, and then they felt it, that now their future queen is going to be Sanatombi. There she stood, all of 5, means she was standing there. All of 5 means her age was 5 years old, like a small Khong Neng with birds flying all around her. Now see, when she was standing near the Khong Neng, and what she was having, she was carrying grains in her both hands, and for eating those grains, all the birds who have lost their nest because of the uprooting of the Khong Neng, so they were also flying all over the head of the Sanatombi, and some birds were sitting on her head, some were sitting on her arms, and some were flying. Also we can see in the picture that one bird is eating the grains which are there in Sanatombi's hand, with birds flying all around her. They sat on her shoulders and on her head. She felt out her hands full of grains, and birds flapped around her, pecking at the food. Now what are the birds doing here? The birds are pecking. Pecking means eating the grains with their beaks. So they are pecking at the grains. Now where are these grains placed? These grains are placed in Sanatombi's hand. A Lema is one who doesn't hurt anybody in the kingdom. At last, this chapter is being ended by one beautiful statement. And what is the statement? It is written that a Lema means a queen. So who is a queen? A queen is a person who does not hurt anybody in the kingdom, whether it is a living thing or a non-living thing, whether it is a human or any animal or bird. A ruler should be such that he should be loving and caring for each and everything that belongs to her kingdom. Only then the people and the birds and animals of her kingdom will be able to live a peaceful life. So in the earlier, when I was introducing this chapter, at that time also we have seen some of the qualities of a good ruler. So at last, which quality we have seen? That a ruler, along with justice and caring, he should always think about his people, and he should never hurt anybody. See, out of those 3 sons, if anybody would have done anything good, then the son would become the next ruler, but they have harmed. Whom they have harmed? They have harmed the Khong Neng, that is the banyan tree. So hurting the banyan tree, it has proved that they can't be a good future ruler. That's why the girl, that is a 5-year-old Sanatombi, she was selected as the next Lima, that is queen of the kingdom of Ningtho. I hope this chapter is clear to you. Have a good day. Allah Hafiz.